Oh my god, what have I done? I've done it again and I've made it into a mess. This tool right here is the sickest thing since sliced bread. I'm always doing the cardboard and that in the house, so look at this, man. Light work. Absolutely wicked. So go like that. So easy, like this tool. Aldi special boys. Yes, what are you saying? Yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're doing something a bit different. We're just having a cheeky little chin wag. We're gonna wash the car. I'm gonna show you what's cracking in the garage, and yeah, just go through a little not an update because I do quite a few of these. Just want to tell you where I've been, missing in action, what's going on, and hopefully we can bring some cracking videos in the future. So let's get on with the video. So yeah guys, you may have noticed I've gone missing in action. I've literally been, I don't know where I've been. I feel like I've been, the last couple of months I've been floating through life. It's been a very difficult time with the car, as you may know. If you follow me on Instagram you'll know. This is one of the hardest decisions I'm making, whether the car goes or it stays. If the car stays, it's going to cause me issues because obviously funds. I want to create content. I want to keep bashing out the videos and stuff. And obviously, I love this car, and I never thought I'd get this mad with this car. I didn't think. I always planned to, but whether it was actually going to happen was a completely different story. And now we're here, and this is the beast. I feel like, in a way, I can only let it go if I get strong money for it. Like I tested the water just to see if anyone was interested, and I literally didn't have one little bite. So the plan or the dream would be to keep this and have a secondary car. I know it's not the most financially best thing to do, but if I could keep this and have a naughty second car, like something as good as this or maybe even better, yeah, so I'm just trying to look at different financial ways I can do this. Because obviously I love YouTube, I love making videos. That's what I mean. I'm making this video today because I just haven't done anything, and I feel like, what can I do? There is a couple of things I need to do to the Megane, so we're going to be like little fillers, so they're not going to be like main mad videos. I apologise I haven't got all the money in the world to create massive wicked videos, which I would absolutely love. Maybe one day we'll get it done, but I just want to have a little fiddle around with the camera. But as I said, I haven't used it in a while, so I just feel a bit, want to get the juices flowing and that again, and create some content and see what's going on. So yeah, car ain't been washed for a couple of weeks and that, so I think we'll give the car a cheeky wash, and yeah, let's go for it. Guys, look at the state of these wheels. These wheels are looking battered, man. Like, the amount of tar deposits and stuff I've got on these is absolutely horrendous. Like, look at this. This was from Tracks on Silverstone, and it feels like it's just literally picked up all the tar off the track. Look, it is mental. Little contraption here because I saw some American geezer that does mad detailing, and he had this thing where he could just pull on it, pull his hose down with him, and that was it. Like, I'm sick of using this. Like the Karcher, I know this is a mess, like, you're absolutely going to rid me. I will clean this, we'll do a proper clean it, upgrade it, get it looking pucker. But the hose is too long, in here, but when you're out doing the car you have to drag that everywhere, man. It's a right nightmare. So yeah, I've got the hose on a little pulley, light work. So yeah, let's get the carter out. So I've been buying some goods, to be fair. I bought some, I've always wanted to try this Sam's Detailing, so I bought quite a few things and that to try out. We've got shampoo, cheeky little bit of clay bar. Even bought this as well because of how serious I am. Pyramid car care, ceramic coating, so I definitely will be doing a ceramic coating. So I've got this for the car, and then I have got a ceramic wheel coat somewhere. Obviously I don't know where that is, but yeah, so that'll get done soon. It's not going to be done in this video. I'm just going to give it a clean because it's car's looking a bit filthy at the moment. So yeah, I'm slacking big time, man. So yeah, it's time to get on it now. I feel like now is a better time than ever. So yeah, let's get the hose out, get it on, and get the car wet. Can you anyone spot the problem? Can you spot the problem? Baby needs new jet wash. Won't go in. Don't do this at home, by the way. I'm just a spanner. So get these, try and straighten it, get it in. Right, so first things first, we are going to get a wheel bucket sorted. So we got our cheeky snow foam. So what we got? So we got iron reactor. That should work a treat. We've got clay lubricant. We won't use that today. Bug and tar remover. Yes, we'll use that. We've got wheel soap. So yeah. Let's have a little blast. We're going to start on the wheels first. Don't normally do the wheels first, but people say the wheels are the dirty, so clean the wheels and that's all clean. And then when you've done the car, because normally if you do the body first, when you clean the wheels, it's all going to flick over to the car. So it makes sense really, but let's go. So look, you see what I mean? I think that's like brake dust slash tar build-up. It has got the RPX track pads in it, so I ain't surprised. No way, part of the brake pad looks like it's going on there. So what the hell's going on there? Right then guys, so what we've got, Carbon Collective little needle pad, perfect for washing wheels or blow jobs, whichever you prefer. Then I've got a little wheel brush to get inside the, let's bring you to it. So we've got a little wheel brush to get yourself inside where the spokes are. Got a little microfiber. Man, this stuff's so foamy. And then we've got Carbon Collective brushes like so. So we're going to give they do look pretty clean considering all I've done is used iron out. I've just got lots of build up of brake dust which I hope comes off, so we'll see. So giving them a little spray. That it seems like the brake dust is quite built up on it, so I'm just trying to soften it up and get the brush on it. Any tips on removing brake dust? It seems to be quite coked on. It just seems to be off that one track there at Silverstone. built up around there. If I rub my finger on it, it seems to get rid of it as such. But it's built. It's proper built in that. Right then, so the wheels are somewhat as clean as I can get them. This seems to be like engraved in. Like I say, anyone knows how I can get this kind of out, please let me know. Unless I've got to sit there for ages just trying to finger each spoke. As you can see, it's just a bit annoying. So hopefully I can get this off, or I'll have to get a wheel refurb before I ceramic coat the wheels. Yeah, it's a bit of a shame. It's only the front two that I like it, to be fair, so hopefully we can sort it. Right guys, so now we've got the cheeky snow foam. I'm just going to add a little bit into here and then fill the rest up with warm water. And then jobs are good, isn't it? Can I do it straight through the camera? Oi. That'll do, yeah, I think. About 200ml normally. Cap on. Let's go. How much detail you want to go into? Detailing, brushing around everywhere. You can get all sorts of these fancy carbon collective ones. A couple of blocks of shampoo. Man, this stuff is as soapy as hell, man. Got the suds in there. So we've got quite a lot of tar spots in the car at the moment. See, all that's tar spots. All this, all it is from on the track. Tyre gets hot. Bits break off the tyre and it's that hot it just sticks to the paintwork. So you're going to get some bug and tar, microfiber cloth, wipe out all this. Right, so we've got Sam's detailing, tar and glue remover. Do a little cheeky spray there, as you can see. Microfiber cloth. Easy as that. Beautiful. Right then, so because we're not going to ceramic coat it properly today, we're going to use this stuff from Bearcat. It's called Brilliance. It's like a ceramic spray, it's like a top up. So literally you're supposed to use a microfiber towel, microfiber cloth, rub it on the panel. I'll just spray it on like this and then rinse it off, and man, it beads for days. It doesn't bead for days, it beads for months, but it's a wicked product. So what I'll do, I'll go over the car, and then I'll show you a little bit of beading action. Look at it bead. Yo guys, how good does that look, man? Freshly clean, just literally a safe wash with some hybrid ceramic spray. Absolutely pucker. Yes guys, what's popping? So we're back, we just washed the car is looking clean. Inside needs a bit of a sort out, so we can do that on the next one or something. I've got to take the door cards off, I need to fit new speakers because one of the speakers is blown. We could have a look into upgrading the sound system and that as well. I feel like I can't let this car go, yeah. So that's it. I might change my mind in a week's time, but at this moment in time, I feel like I'm gonna try and save my arse off and then try and add another car to the channel. So content, I'm gonna struggle with, but I need to get on it now. So this is what I enjoy. This is like escape from my job, and this is like a little passion that I've got going. So yeah, I'm gonna be at everything, car shows, you name it, we're doing it. So my brother's got just bought a new induction kit for his Cupra. You haven't really saw it that much, but hopefully we're gonna get that on the channel. So we're gonna be fitting an induction kit. My mate with the Civic's got some bits and bobs going on with that, so we're gonna have that on the channel. Hyundai i30N, we're gonna get that on the channel. Got some bits to do with the induction kit. We've got a new little pipe to fit. We've got to try that out. These are going to be actually sold. These are not my parts, it's Dan's. Obviously that's a completely different subject, but we'll get to that. I just want to get sorted, get stuff sorted, and get organised. I am buying a little gaming PC, a little editing rig, so I'm going to be trying a new software and going back to Microsoft, which I haven't used in years. And we're gonna, I feel like a fresh start's needed, man. I feel like I'm just thinking about stuff and it's like, so yeah, I don't want to go over and over this stuff in videos. I just want to be like, say it here, that's it, and this is where we're going. So content is definitely coming over the way. I'm gonna try and get some car reviews in. I want to smash some car reviews in, and then I want to do like 11 days of Christmas and do like 11 car reviews. So do like 1st to the 11th and do smash some car reviews out. So yeah, anyone wants to get on the channel, we've got everything now. We've got the cameras, we've got the GoPros, we've got the mics, got a PC coming. It's going to be electric. Anything you want to see on the Megane, shifters, mods, you name it, just let me know. Honestly, we'll do it. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, hope everyone is well that watches on this channel. And honestly, you're like an amazing family. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. And before you do, make sure you press that notification bell, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it to your pals. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.